we are going to see the assignment for the topic logical operators. If you would like to watch the videos on this topic before starting the assignment, the links are given in the description box. As I always tell you, our team gets super excited when any of you submit an assignment. So keep up the good work and continue submitting assignments and keep making us happy. And even if you have any errors in your code and unable to get the output, you can still submit your assignments. We will correct the error and we will also send some tips that will be very useful for you to easily fix the errors the next time. We have just seen so many videos on logical operators, and we have to see just one more topic before we can start writing some really cool programs in Python. But for now, let us write a very simple code for practice. Since we use logical operators to combine many conditions in one statement and make our code very simple, our exercise will also be very simple, so you can write it in just a few lines. Let us now look at our exercise for AND operator. Let us check if a student will get a grade or not. If the output is true, then it means that the student will get a grade, and false would mean that the student will not get a grade. So we are talking about a overall grade. Okay, so to check that, the student should have 50 marks in 5 subjects. So we are going to write the marks for all the 5 subjects, and then we are going to write a print statement with all the 5 conditions combined with a logical operator. So create 5 variables for 5 subjects, and these are the subjects I have taken: maths, science, history, English and computer science. You can change these subjects to any other subject you like. Then we will write 5 conditions. So let me show my code. So the conditions are each subject mark should be greater than 50. So that's what I've written here, and I've combined it with an AND operator. Now if I run the code, the output is true because the student has above 50 marks in all the subjects. So let me run it. So save the file, run the code. Yeah, so the output is true. So can you also write a code like this? So you need to create 5 variables, you need to create 5 conditions, and then you need to put them all in the print statement with an AND condition. So when you write the print statement, please check that you have written an AND between the conditions, or Python will give an error. Okay, now let's look at our exercise for OR operator. This is a really interesting one. So we have decided to join a sports team in school, but all the teams are already full. Luckily, our school is going to announce a new sports team. We already made a list of the sports that we like, and so we want to join. So if that new sport is one of the sports that we like, then we are going to join the team. Let us create a new variable called new sport. This value, the value for this variable will be the new sport that the school is going to announce. So new sport will be equal to let's say some new sport which they're going to announce. Now to check if that new sport is one of the sports that we already like, we are going to write conditions such as new sport equal to basketball, where basketball is my first favorite sport. Then we can probably write new sport equal to swimming, relay, which is another sport I like, and then new sport equal to badminton. So we can write as many conditions as we want based on how many favorite sports we have. But I have stopped with 3. Since if the new sport matches any one of the sport we like, it is fine if we get one condition to be true. So when we want one condition to be true, we always use an OR operator to combine our conditions and get an output. So if the new sport that will be announced matches any one of the sports that we have in our favorite list, then the condition will be true and the output will be true. So now let us have a look at my code. So I have written the conditions and I have added a print statement with OR between my conditions. The new sport which was announced as badminton. So I have put that value here for the variable new sport, which matches one of my condition, and so the output is true. So let me run my file. Yeah, so the output is true. Now I can go and join the new team and make some new friends. Now, can you write 3 conditions with your favorite sports, then combine them with an OR operator and get an output? I hope you enjoy writing code for this assignment. And as I told before, CodePunner team will be waiting for your assignments. If you want to know how to submit assignments, please click on the link that is shown right now on top of the video. Please submit your assignments, and I will see you soon in another new and interesting topic. If you have any questions or if you need help with this assignment, please leave a comment and our team will try to reply to your question. See you soon.